System diagnostics complete.
We've integrated a seamless quick-release system here by the temple. This allows us direct access to the cooling ducts and sensor arrays for maintenance.
Thank you for attending our demonstration.
Wow, look at those arms. This is next-level tech. What is your primary function here at CES?
I am here to demonstrate the next generation of human-robot interaction.
Wow, nothing can beat this.
What are you going to do with it, bud?
He's vibing with her. Arms up. Bro! Did that just happen?
Look at that diffraction speed on the localized sensors.
Exactly, it's instantaneous.
Dude, I'm totally taking her with me after this demo.
As you can see, the tactile response and facial realism are quite advanced. This is the new tactile interface and cooling design of the 2025 model.
こんにちは。System ready や。
Hey, careful where you press.
Can I try?
No.
You can take the risk.